Blitzcode imbibes this spirit of innovation. This customer-centric event has been a flagship event at Sabre Bengaluru GCC for a couple of years now. Even a devastating pandemic like COVID-19 could not deter us from continuing to drive innovation and delivering value.
The solutions emerging out of Blitzcode not only create a great impact to our customer business, but they also have the power to transform the travel ecosystem.
Just like the previous years, this year's event was filled with excitement and challenges. Just to come up with an idea from scratch, code it within 72 hours, and then compete with other teams is an incomparable rush in itself.
It was super exciting to participate in Blitzcode this year, in which teamwork and collaboration were the perfect match for very good ideas. Yes, it was virtual, but did I feel that way? Not really. Muy buena suerte a todos.
Teams being curious on how we can partner to nurture an idea that not just adds value to Sabre but excites our customers, and then working across different time zones to accomplish the vision in just 72 hours has really lit up a lot of creative fire in us.
This year, despite the pandemic, the Blitzcode core committee team has ensured high levels of participation, team engagement, and the teams are equipped to compete successfully in this event.
Blitzcode came like a breath of fresh air. The event has inspired us to challenge ourselves, and it has motivated us to continue collaborating with our team and peers.
The idea behind Blitzcode has always been to focus on solutions that address customer problems, drive technology transformation, and help with process optimization. And I am really amazed by a sheer volume of innovative ideas that emerge, which is also testimony to the culture of innovation that we built in this organization.
I was blown away by the ideas that the teams presented. It's remarkable how such events can help people bring out the outside-the-box thinking. It's quite inspiring to see that despite the pandemic and with all its gloom, that it did not get in the way of innovation and collaboration. Hats off to the teams.
Events like Blitzcode help break the monotony of everyday work. It helps people think more creatively and freely. It instills a sense of camaraderie and belonging. What's exciting is at the end, we will have various production-ready code that stand a chance to go to market.
It's a truly incredible feeling for the participants to see their ideas making the lives of travelers easier. That's what we strive to do each year with the Blitzcode. It gives us even more pleasure to think about the small part we would have played in getting the travel industry back on its feet when the pandemic is behind us.